This one is going to cover the directory and setting it up. I'm not going to spend too much time on the directory categories because it's pretty self-explanatory. Um, you're just creating your category name, your SEO name, which is just, has the dashes as URL friendly. There's some sample categories that I pulled off of, I've seen some from, some popular review sites out there, and you just can click add on one, it'll pre-populate it with the right information. Click save. Use these however you want. These will go up here. If there is a business listed in there, it will show up here. Only the businesses that are premium listings are going to show up here, as I covered in a previous video. If they are basic listings, there's premium and basic. If they're basic, then like when you click on restaurants and you're viewing the list of restaurants, they're just going to be down here. They're not going to be clickable. Of course, the phone number is, because it's if they're on a mobile device, they can click that. So I think that's about it for the directory and the categories. It's very simple on purpose. But then once we move into opt-ins here, that's where we have a little bit more to cover. So this is the opt-in form right here: first name, last name, and birthday. Very simple. This is a responsive form or responsive design, so it doesn't matter what device they're on. When they hit your URL, the very first thing they'll see in the top, because it's in the top left, when it condenses to responsive design, it's going to show up at the top. So they're not going to get lost on your page, but yet they can still, view everything in sequence. They'll get a couple ads in the middle, and then they'll be viewing your list. And if they click on one, they'll see the listing, all the information. They can write a review. If they write a review, this will go into this. It will not show up automatically. It will go into a queue, which I'll show you in just a second. It'll automatically put the Google map here using the address that the business is for, or that you have entered for the business. And then at the bottom, it'll show the remaining ads. Okay, so when you open it up, then everything goes back to its normal position. All right, so let's go back here to reviews, and this is where we can just check mark and approve or delete. And so let's say we built up our opt-in list a little bit, and we've got some subscribers. Once you fill this out, it sends them a confirmation email. They click on the link to confirm, and then now they're confirmed. Now they get an email that is going to list out all the standing offers that you have for your directory in a list. And when they click on one of those links, it's going to take them to a special page that just shows these just as you see them right now, right on down the page with the one that they clicked on at the top.